Welcome everyone. Today I will be showing you how to make music in Scratch. So you'll know how to come up to this page, if you know. Then it will come up with an untitled. So you want to change that and make it like whatever you want to. Make a catchy name. So I'm just gonna go music tutorial. Then done. Alright, so next thing you want to do is go down here to the add extension button. Click that. Then you'll come up to all these amazing extensions. But the first one you want to get is this music one. The first one that you'll probably see. Anyway, so you want to click that. Then you'll have all these music all blocks. So the first thing we're going to show you is the set instrument to. So set instrument to like let's do it to organ, but you can I'm just going to leave it at piano, but there are heaps more to scroll through. Anyway, so once you've got this block, it's over here, you want to get a play note, and I'm going to get like the 60. And then I'm going to get heaps of those. 3, 4. There we go. Just click those together. Then it will sound like this. So once you've got that done, you're going to find the set tempo to and change tempo by. So the set tempo to button, you can change it to whatever you want, but I'm going to do 60. Actually, I'm going to change that to 90. And then duplicate that, add it, and then it will be like that. And then you can change tempo by like -10. Then you duplicate that. And then maybe like repeat that 10 times. No, not just that. And then put that under. And then now you're gonna have this. So then the speed will change. So then back to the music. You're gonna have all this. So now that we've gone through the tempo, that's the speed. You want to go over here to the rest one. This rest block does how long to rest. If I did 1 beat, that's 1 second. So if I put that there, then like put this on top, then it's gonna wait. Maybe set tempo to. So that's what the rest block does. It rests for an amount of time. So then the last block that you'll be seeing, the one at the top, play drum or play instrument. There's only going to be drums there, I don't think. Side stick, or you could get claves, and there's heaps to go through, but I'm going to get the snare drum. And then you could get that, put it under there, duplicate, and then set tempo to 60. I'm just going to duplicate this a lot. There. Now we're going to click the green flag. Alright, never mind. We're going to have to go to events, then get when clicked. Then you're going to click the flag. So it will sound like that. Now, so now if you want to add your voice, So you want to go over here to sounds, delete the meow or whatever sound that you get, then go to record, and then you'll be able to record. So I'm just going to say, early one morning I went walking in the forest and I saw the most amazing, and then you can add to it, link in the description. Alright. Early one morning I went walking in the forest and I saw the most amazing. So then it's like that. So you can move these red lines. Red lines delete whatever you choose. But I'm gonna just leave it like, oh wait. Um, Early one morning I went walking in the forest and I saw the most amazing. Early one morning I went walking in the forest and I saw the most amazing. Oh, we record. Early one morning I went walking in the forest and I saw the most amazing. Early one morning I went walking in the forest and I saw the most amazing. And then you can add to it. As I told you, link in the description. So I've saved that. Now, if you want to put that through, you want to get a wing clipped, go to sound, play sound, or if you want to do animation, start sound. I'm gonna make animation, but you can make animation, but I'm not going to. Get the play sound, and then it will sound like this. Early one morning, I went walking in the forest, and I saw the most amazing. So you want to change the volume by, and I'm gonna change that by 10. Alright, then you're gonna go back down to events, then get the wing clipped, and then forever it will get louder. Early one morning I went walking in the forest and I saw the most amazing. So that's what it will sound like when you do this project. So if you want to add animation, just click this right, go to costumes and animate it. Upload pictures and stuff you want. So that's all I was going to show you today, guys. See you next time. And I'll see you next time.